Our story begins with pristine artesian spring water, born from the purest natural springs from the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, and designed to fuel your mind, body, and spirit. Each bottle is filled with our clear, pristine artesian water, with a rich concentration of positive minerals, untouched and straight from the spring, that gives your body what it really needs.
We're proud to have created a great tasting, natural artesian water that promotes a healthy boost to your mind, body, and spirit. We want to help bring your entire body back to balance.
This is where the actual start of the process takes place. This is our decal. This is what actually takes the bulk bottles that we get into the plant and puts them on the line. So what you've got is you've got a machine that basically comes down, clamps a layer of bottles. You can see there's a layer of bottles here on the bottom. If you can imagine, that's 12 layers tall. So what that does is it grabs a layer at a time, takes it and puts it on the conveyor, and that moves the conveyor down to the rinser, and then from there the bottles are rinsed. This is the actual rinser here. So the rinsers enter on the other end. They're inverted with the grip turned upside down, inverted. That stainless steel box down there has a sterile air blow, and then it has 10 water jets with ozonated water. So it sprays up in that bottle and rinses it. So this long section here is to give the bottle time to drain. And then it comes back down, the bottle's inverted again, and then from there it goes air conveyor into the filler room. Now everything that happens on this end down here, this is all multi-pack. So when we're running 6 packs or 12 packs, those are all packed on this end. So the machine you see over here, this is a Hardness drop packer. So you can imagine on the top conveyor, you've got 6 packs or 12 packs. On the bottom conveyor underneath it there, you've got boxes. When they reach the end, the box comes up hydraulically, the 6 packs opens up, they drop in the box. From that point, they come around the curve here. This is our polypack wrapper. So the cases go through here, they're wrapped in plastic. Then they go through this heat tunnel, the plastic shrunk around them. And then from there, they go to the overhead and back to the palletizer for the pack. So if we are running multi-packs, this machine here actually makes the boxes for those multi-packs, and then they travel down the conveyor to the package. There's some examples of what the 6 packs look like. Those are some of the 6 packs that we ran earlier. These tanks that you see outside here, these tanks are for RO water, reverse osmosis water only. So if we're running a drinking water, then that's where the water would come out of these tanks. That's our RO system. It's capable of doing about 38,000 gallons a day. We can be running spring water, the tanks can be filling, so it's always ready to go. This is our QA lab. So daily, hourly, in here we check pH, TDS, conductivity, turbidity. All those items are checked hourly. We check net contents, so we make sure that every bottle that is produced has stated net content on it. So if it says 16.9 ounces, it has 16.9 ounces in it. We actually run about 3% over stated net content. We also do all of our microbiological testing in-house. So we check for bacteria, we check for yeast and mold, and we check for coliforms. We do that all here in-house. And now we're also mandated that those samples have to be sent out to an independent lab once a week for verification. So that goes on every week.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, we'll walk back to the palletizer. If the palletizer backs up or the forklift driver hasn't pulled the cases off the machine or the line's backed up, then we may hand stack, and that's what that wrapper on that end is for. everything in the packaging area runs through this electrical panel. This is all PLC controlled. So there's a photo eye about every 20 feet on the overhead, probably less apart than that on the lower conveyors. So if the line backs up, it tells the PLC tells the machine to stop, you know, those sort of things. So everything on the line is on. And then back here, this is our palletizer. So the palletizer actually takes the product that comes in on the overhead. It takes and manipulates those spaces into a layer. Then pallet comes up, the layer is formed, it opens up, drops that layer onto the pallet, stacks that 7 layers high, and you get what you see over here. Then at the end of the line, you see there's another wrapper there. As you can see back here, they're making boxes that they're shipping out product here to the customers. So this is going on daily as well.
Right.
And I think that's pretty much the nickel tool.